In today's video, we're going to be building a mobile app in just 31 hours. I'm going to take you through the whole process of me coming up with the idea, validating it, designing it, coding it, and then putting it on the Appstore. So let's get started. All right, before we continue with the video, I want to mention that I'm giving away $100 because we finally hit 1,000 subscribers in about like 2.5 months, which is awesome. And more on that later. How to find startup ideas. See, there are 3 ways to find them. The first way is to scratch your own itch. What I mean by that is look around you, write down anything you don't enjoy doing, and see if you can automate it, turn that into software, and there you have it. That's exactly what I did with my previous app called Monk Mode. I couldn't find a really good productivity app that fit my needs, so what I did was I built my own, and it's got over 14,000 users, and it works really well. The second way to find good startup ideas, look at a very successful startup and see if you can take it and like apply it to a different demographic. For example, take Uber Eats for example, right? Uber Eats is very popular in the States here, right? And if you can take Uber Eats and apply it to, for example, in India, right? There you have Zomato, right? I don't know if I'm saying it right. That's $1 billion unicorn. All they did was just take the concept that was very popular in America and just apply that to a different demographic. You can do the same thing with different verticals, different niches. The last one is the one we're going to be using today is Reddit. Reddit is a very good place to find great startup ideas because there's a lot of people that are complaining. When people are complaining, that's when you see a really good opportunity. That's when you can see a big dollar sign. All right, check this out. I found this super cool subreddit called Fine Fashion. It's got over 900,000 members. And what people do here is they basically upload a specific piece of clothing or accessory that they need help finding. And they just ask the people in this community like, hey, help me find this dress. Help me find this trousers, pants, shoes, jewelry, whatnot. So if we click on the first one, right? This was super recent, 2 hours ago or 3 hours ago. Please help me find this dress, whatever, right? They will add the image, multiple images. And what people do in this community is they will basically find the exact item or a super close replica. So for example, and they'll link it here. So this person found this item on Poshmark, but it's sold out. But you get the point. I don't know if you guys see an opportunity here, but I see a huge opportunity here. See, the problem currently, I don't know if you can identify the problem here, but the problem is very apparent here, at least to me. What people have to do is they would have to upload the image on Reddit, provide context, wait for people. It can take several hours for people to find the actual item. And sometimes it's not even the actual item you're looking for. So again, there's a lot of touch points and a lot of friction it's causing for people to find the actual dress they're looking for or accessory. But it doesn't have to be like that. This is a very good use case of using a software to solve this problem. What I'm thinking is, what if we build an app where people can upload a photo of clothing or accessory, and the app will find the actual item or a close replica of the actual dress or accessory you're looking for, and you can buy it with just one click. Imagine that. No need to post it on Reddit and wait several hours for people to find the actual item. What if it's not the actual item you're looking for? Well, what if you can remove all those touch points, and what if we just make it super easy for people to just find it with just snapping a photo? I think that's a huge opportunity here. And that's what we're going to be building today. And we're going to call it Outfit AI. Don't get it confused with my previous project called Outfit AI, which is like try on clothes. But this will be a fashion finder, I'm thinking. So it's very simple. You snap a photo of any item or accessory and you just upload it to the app, and then we're going to be using we're going to analyze the image, scrape the internet, find the relevant links of all the providers, like all the different e-commerce brands, and find the exact replica or the exact item and give it to the user within just a couple of seconds. I think I'm super excited about this. I think it's a huge problem here, and obviously we validated this because there's already like 900,000 members and there are people very actively posting and going back and forth. So it's a very apparent problem to me, and I think we can definitely use software to solve this problem. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and start designing this app. All right, now we're done with the design. Let's go ahead and code this project out. All right, let's test this feature out. If I were to put some random number in here, it should still be disabled because it's not a valid number. So now let me put like the actual number. So now, as you can see here, it got enabled. It's enabled now, so this is working. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to add a new feature. So if I go to the settings icon here, and I want to add a new option or another way for people to contact me instead of emailing us, I want to basically add another button that says text the founder, essentially. All right, there you go. See, now if I click text the founder, it should open up a text message with the phone number. That works. All right, we're finally done with the app. And now before we submit this to the App Store, we're gonna have to design the screenshots that's gonna be uploaded on the App Store. So before we do that, let's go ahead and create these screenshots. So I have these 3 mockups here, but we're gonna have to create another one now. So given these first three screenshots, I want to make sure that I add, what do I call the last screenshot? Should I call it rating? So look, snap, buy. And then what should the last screen be? It's basically rating. The feature is going to be rate my drip. So help me come up with the title and a subtitle. That goes really well with the other 3 screenshots. It has to be catchy. Should I call it drip check for the first screenshot, or should I just leave it as ratings? What do you think? Think step by step. All right, we're gonna submit this to the App Store. I'm scared. Once they approve it, it will be live on the App Store, and yeah. All right, the app is finally live on the App Store, and I'm going to show you a quick demo. So if I have my phone here with me, and let's go through the app. So if I open up the app, you can see this is the onboarding page. Find your fit, what's your gender, how old are you, and how much shopping, almost never. And I'm going to put my phone number. I'm going to blur out my phone number. So when I click continue, so this is the home page. So we have what are you wearing today up top, and then if you click on the search bar, it's a fashion finder. So I can pick any outfit here, and it'll basically find me where it's from. All right, so after I click done, it's finding matches right now. So it'll take a few seconds. Ta-da! So basically scrape all the internet and find the relevant matches. So as you can see, this is an Armani shirt, and I can just buy it with one click of a button. It'll take me to the page where I can buy it. And then the next feature I have for you is called drip check. So let me pick an outfit here. And then right now it's getting your rating. This may take a few seconds. It will analyze your outfit and any improvements you can make. When you swipe, it will show you all the improvements, any improvements you can make to your outfit. It's pretty cool. It's very actionable items. So the rules for the giveaway are very simple. All you have to do is when you download the app, make sure to leave a review and rate the app, and make sure you take a screenshot of that. And the last thing is just follow the Instagram page and send that screenshot to me on that Instagram page, which is outfitsai.app. That's the handle or the ID for the Instagram. That's it. The first 10 people to do so will get $10. That's about like 900 rupees. The reason why I'm saying rupees is because majority of my audience is from India. So again, all right, the first 10 people to do so will get $10. I'll give it to you via Zelle, Apple Cash. If you live outside of America, I'll PayPal you the money, or like whatever payment provider you use, but you'll get the money. And thank you guys for subscribing. This means so much to me, not gonna lie. I hate when people say that, but this really does mean a lot to me, and I'm taking this YouTube thing seriously. And inshallah, next goal is to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I want to get to 10K. Inshallah, I think it's doable. And once we get to 10K, I'll give away $1,000 or like 1 lakh rupee. like 1 lakh, close to 1 lakh rupees. That'll be fun. So please subscribe. And if you want to know all the AI tools that I use on my projects, startups, in my personal life, watch my previous video called 7 AI tools that will make you rich. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.